So hey guys, and welcome to the Spotlight. In this video, I'm going to be putting my spotlight on NASA's mission to save Earth from another asteroid. So this channel is everything related to space. So if it's your kind of thing, be sure to subscribe. And we've just reached 100 subscribers, so thank you guys for that. And let's set the next subscriber goal to 1,000 subs. This mission, dubbed the DART mission, is NASA's attempt to save Earth from the wrath of God himself. But I'm on vacation. I don't want my planet to be destroyed. Let's go NASA. The DART mission is set to launch atop a Falcon 9. Seems like they went for the best option. It's supposed to launch on 22nd July 2021. Seems like 2021 is a big year for spaceflight. We have the SLS Block 1 launching first time for the Artemis mission sometime in January, and we have ISRO's Gaganyaan mission launching in June, in which they launched their first human spaceflight, and we have the DART mission in July atop of Falcon 9. Wikipedia describes it as the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, which is planned to be a space probe that will demonstrate the kinetic effects of crashing an impactor spacecraft into an asteroid moon for planetary defense purposes. Okay, so it's supposed to mean, the mission is intended to test whether a spacecraft could successfully deflect an asteroid which is on a collision course with Earth. That's the layman meaning and the actual meaning. So in this mission, NASA plans to slam a spacecraft into a binary asteroid system called Didymos, and it is intended to crash into this system and calm down. It's not supposed to hit Earth or anything. It's just a test and a preparation for a future in case, So if it's not supposed to hit us, why are we running this thing? Because it's easier to reach there. Yep, that's the only reason. Even easier than reaching the moon. Didymos' primary body is 780 meters wide, and its secondary body, or moonlet, is 160 meters wide. And since this is the typical size of the asteroids which are supposed to hit us here on Earth, we'll hit it. We are supposed to hit it with a spacecraft traveling at a velocity of almost 6.6 kilometers per second. And it will be guided by its Draco camera, which is the onboard camera, and its very proficient navigation system. The crash would change the velocity of the moonlet around the body by a fraction of 1%. That's it. And that would change its orbital time about a few minutes, I guess, and that would be enough to be observed from our telescopes here on Earth. Once launched and deployed, the spacecraft will deploy its Roll-Out Solar Arrays, or ROSA, which will provide the required solar power to the spacecraft for its electrical propulsion system. It will demonstrate the NASA Evolutionary Xenon Thruster Commercial, or NEXT-C ion thruster, which will use electric propulsion. By using electric propulsion as its in-space propulsion, the DART could benefit from the flexibility of mission timelines, while also demonstrating a revolutionary ion thruster technology that could be potentially very beneficial to future NASA missions. Okay, so that's about the mission. But why ram a very high-tech, expensive spacecraft and spend so much money to reach there to ram an asteroid that essentially looks like a male reproductive system just to change the velocity of its moonlet around the main body by a factor of only 1%. Well, have you ever read news like these?
Asteroid as big as Burj Khalifa to make closer approach on Earth. Giant asteroid twice the size of Empire State Building flies past Earth at 14,400 miles per hour. A football field size asteroid snuck up on NASA, almost hit Earth.
Well, most of these are just clickbait titles which are used to attract audience to their posts, and usually it's not the case, and they earn money because of their viewers. Ain't nobody sneaking up on NASA, because when you learn about the humongous amount of bodies which NASA tracks, you'll be astonished. You will be astonished. And don't worry, if an asteroid was actually supposed to hit us, NASA would surely know it within much time. I hope I am right, Jim. But some asteroid articles are indeed true. For example, an asteroid, Apophis, is supposed to pass us in 2029 with an altitude of almost 31,000 kilometers. Now, that might sound a lot, but that's actually quite low because that's even less than most geostationary satellites. Well, asteroids are known to have caused extinction level events here on Earth. Dinosaurs, and we might as well be next. And if we want to survive, which I know you do, as an evolved species, we need to protect ourselves against these. And that is why this mission is important. It is important for the protection of human race. And I'm very happy that finally some space agency has included protection of human race as part of one of its mission. This is not sci-fi. This is the reality, and we need to protect ourselves. So thank you guys for watching, and like, share, subscribe for more awesome content. And I see 65% of you have not subscribed. Subscribe, you will be joining us for the most awesome learning experience. And thanks for helping me reach 100 subscribers. Let's set it to 1k subscribers the next time. So if you want, you can check out my Patreon and merch pages, link in the description.